I'm back with another watch finds video. These watches I found the past couple weeks, garage sales, estate sale, and then some guy had a couple vintage watches he posted on Facebook that I made a deal on. The Facebook deal was these three watches here. He did say they were non-working. He had a couple other quartz watches. Ended up paying $75 for the lot of three. Like I said, I knew they didn't work, but like I told you guys in the past, even if you find these vintage watches that don't run, they can still have quite a bit of value. So like I said, I paid $75 for the three. Have this Chalet diver's watch. I have this one listed on eBay for a $69.95 or best offer. Turned down a $40 offer. I'm hoping to get close to the $69 on this. I have like I think 8 watchers on that, so this will probably come close to paying for the lot. But the reason I bought it was this watch right here. It's a Orator chronograph. You can see it is running. It does have an issue. It only runs face down, so definitely an issue there. So you can see the beautiful chronograph movement on it. So I did have some condensation or water get into it or something. See, the screw right there is kind of rusted. But there's the movement of the watch. And that's what the dial looks like. Orator. See, it's running. And yeah, it did stop when it's face up. So, these type of watches, chronographs, I hardly ever come across. The last couple years, I might find one a year. So glad to find a chronograph. I found a couple Zippos at, of all places, an antique store, and these were only $3 or $6 each. You can date these by the patent numbers, and also the newer ones from the 60s have the dashes and dots on each side of the Zippo. When you see the block lettering, you can tell that's an older Zippo. So these are probably from the 50s. And they have the 5-barrel. The old ones have 3 barrels on the back. Like I said, these were $6 each. I have these two listed on eBay for $129.95 starting bid. Had some guy offered me $140 if I would sell it now, but I think these should sell for probably over $100 each. So the lot should sell for in excess of $200, I'm hoping. Also, I look for vintage digital watches and found this at like a thrift store. It does run. I ordered a battery for it. It's a 1977 Seiko quartz LC. These are pretty collectible. Something like this should sell for well over $100. And like I said, that was only $5. Ended up picking these up at another garage sale. This was only $1. This Orient. So I think these are made in Japan, if I recall. There's the back of the watch. It is running. And this is only $5. This nice Bulova dress watch. I'm guessing probably from the late 80s, 90s. And it is running. So I have that one. I have this one listed on eBay now for over $100. Then the pickups from today. This is only $10. This Seiko automatic 21 jeweled watch. The crystal was really scratched. You could barely see the dial. Just a quick polish. I just used one of these to polish the crystal. I start off with the medium grit, I should say, and then I kind of go over to more fine, and then just toothpaste and a cloth, and I'll remove a lot of the scratches from it. So obviously not as good if you'd use like a polishing wheel or something like that, but good enough for me. So Like I said, that was only $10. That's probably, saw a couple sold for around $70. If I would list this, I'd ask a little bit more for it. So have that one there. And then this was in a bedroom, and this had $5 for the whole lot. So this was upside down in there, and it's a Benrus automatic, probably from the 50s, maybe 60s. So as you can see, it is running. This one was also really scratched up, so just a quick polish, and looks a lot better. So when you get close, you can see the scratches from the file, but farther away, you can't really notice them. So eventually I'll get a sanding, polishing wheel, but as for now, I don't have one. So great finds there. $5 for that lot and $10 for the Seiko. And then the best deal of the day by far, I could not believe this was just sitting on a table with some other just regular film cameras. These are some of the holy grail of any type of camera equipment you guys find. It's a Hasselblad film camera. So when I walked up to it, I thought it said 200, which would be an outstanding deal for a camera like this, but it was only $20. So it has a Zeiss lens on it. So these cameras, even non-working for parts only, should sell for over $1,000. So it's crazy that this is only $20. An amazing find. These refurbished in good working order can sell closer to $2,000. So to find one at an estate sale for only $20, really good find there, obviously. So yeah, these are the pickups last couple weeks for vintage watches and the camera there. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.